Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to use AI Translate in Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Let's begin! Okay, so a couple of things. First, you have to note that you need to have a Samsung account for this. You need to be logged in onto your Samsung account and you have to use Samsung Internet, which I'm not a big fan of this browser, but it does give you a lot of functionality, of course the one related to AI. So, after you have done that, you can simply enter our Samsung Internet, and you can see that I have already found some sort of site that is like these news about games and all of that, and we have something related to Samsung, and the hell is us creative director, I believe, who's whining about Samsung Premiere. It doesn't really matter. The point is, this whole thing is in Polish, and of course I am not Polish, I'm talking in English, so let's get this into English. So how can we do that? Luckily it's very easy. You will notice these little icons in the bottom corner of your screen, and you have things like home screen, tabs, and start, etc. You want to click the center icon and then translate. So as you can see, we have this bar at the top, and here we can change the language. So if you want to translate to something different than English, you can also do it here. But now we can simply go, and actually you will notice that this is already translated. If we would disable this, you can see that this is the original. All you want to do is simply click the translate button, and this automatically translates your sites. It even still has everything like links, everything like fonts and all of that, the quotes, almost everything is completely translated. And I think that this feature alone is it was like this huge, really big game changer. Though to be fair, usually you still use English websites if you want to translate to English, unless you want to, for example, like go into English, translate this using AI into something else, and then copy it for yourself. It's also cool, but once again, I think the English translation is probably the most important one, and here we have it. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.